I don't know how I lived so long without this, but now that I've found NervoVive, it's impossible to imagine my routine without it. You know that discomfort, that feeling of fatigue, that constant worry about your nerve health? It's over. NervoVive has simply changed the game. This product can transform your nerve health. With a completely natural and powerful formula, NervoVive helps keep your nervous system healthy, improves rapid nutrient absorption, and provides essential support to help control blood sugar levels. Seriously, it's made with an amazing combination of carefully selected plants that directly contribute to your well-being. All of this in an easy-to-take capsule free from stimulants and completely non-GMO. You'll feel the difference in your body in no time. What makes NervoVive so unique? Let me tell you, it contains carefully chosen ingredients like passion flower, althea root, marshmallow, corydalis, prickly pear, and California poppy seed, all known for their calming and regenerative properties. It's a meticulously dosed blend that ensures each ingredient enhances the effect of the others. And there's more. When you order 3 or 6 bottles of NervoVive, you also get 2 amazing bonuses. The first is the Blood Sugar Blueprint, a complete guide with secret tips to control your blood sugar, and the second is Ageless Health, a manual of Tibetan habits to keep your body rejuvenated and full of energy, just like Tibetan monks. And all this with free shipping on any order, plus a 60-day satisfaction guarantee or your money back. Unbeatable, right? NervoVive is simply incredible. I only bring products to my channel that I've tested and trust, and this is no exception. If you're ready to transform your health, the exclusive discount link is in the video description. Don't miss this chance to take care of your body from the inside out.